Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today I went to a giveaway at a warehouse. The story was that this tenant just left, and after he had already taken out 3 30-yard dumpsters, he just left the rest. And then the company that owns the warehouse said it would cost them $10,000 to clear it out. So they put an ad in the paper, and people like me showed up, and within 2 hours, that's when I left, most of it was gone. And I got a 99 Jeep Cherokee right here that is just filled with awesome stuff. A bunch of stuff. Like that's some sort of charging port. Those are probably gold contacts in there. Whatever. A bunch of stuff. Monitors of all types. Keyboards. Big old pieces of aluminum. And more devices than I know what to do with. Like here's a digital blaster by Key Digital. I don't even know what that does. Here's a thing. And this thing calls nurses. Keyboards. And that weird beeping noise. I don't know. Oh, that's for your heartbeat. Weird. And then there's this big old chunky thing. Look at that. Looks like gold down in there. Weird extruded aluminum pieces. More wires than I know what to do with. Boatload of e-waste. They saw me picking up all the e-waste and they have some more. I'm going to go back tomorrow and get it. Got some battery backup, some batteries, and these weird management systems. Okay. Oh yeah. These are going to be fun. There's going to be lots of fun stuff in there. Oh yeah, some good boards in there. Bunch of monitors. Some of these are huge. These things are heavy for monitors. I don't know how old those things are. But it's going to be fun taking all this apart. But right now, I've got to figure out how to get all of this and here. Yeah. It's going to be one big old pile. I got some room under there. I got a little room. We'll figure it out. But yeah, another awesome day. And I get to go back tomorrow and probably get maybe half as much e-waste from them. I'm helping them out and they're helping me out. It all works out. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.